Did you know you don't need to be an expert to get fast shutter speeds? You can just try sports mode instead. So here on this camera, I have auto chosen, and you'll see that I have a shutter speed of 1/60th of a second. Now that's because we're indoors. Even though I've got studio lights, it's still quite dark as far as the camera is concerned. But if I just go and change to sports mode, you'll see the shutter speed has increased significantly. Now, what does that mean in terms of freezing action? Well, the problem with auto mode is that it's trying to save us from ourselves, but it's really only choosing mid-range shutter speeds because it doesn't know what it is you're shooting. So if you have a look here at this shot, I have a shot here that is 1/250th of a second, and that's because auto thinks that's all I need. But if we look here at the athlete, you'll see that the moving parts, the feet, the hands, the face, it's all blurred. But as soon as I switch to sports mode, the shutter speed increases significantly, 1/2000th of a second. And you can see here that we have freezing action. That person is just suspended in midair simply because of the shutter speed chosen. So you don't need to be an expert to get fast shutter speeds. You can just try sports mode instead. I hope this gets you off to a good start.